In a world that often feels consumed by politics, science, and conflict, it's refreshing to take a moment to appreciate the humor in life. Recently, an unexpected star has risen to internet fame, the humble potato. It all started with a simple photo on social media. Someone snapped a picture of a lumpy, misshapen potato and posted it online. Instead of being dismissed as just another ordinary vegetable, this potato had something special about it. Perhaps it was its unusual shape or the way it seemed to be almost smiling at the camera. Whatever the reason, the photo quickly went viral. Before long, people were sharing their own photos of unique potatoes, each one more bizarre than the last. Some looked like they had faces, others like they were wearing tiny hats. There was even a potato that appeared to have grown a perfect heart shape in the middle. As the trend grew, so did the humor. People began photoshopping pictures of potatoes into all kinds of scenarios. There were potatoes dressed up in fancy clothes, potatoes playing musical instruments, and even potatoes doing extreme sports. But why has the internet become so obsessed with these starchy tubers? For one thing, it's a welcome break from the constant stream of serious news and information that bombards us every day. It's always nice to take a step back and laugh at something silly and lighthearted. But there's also something inherently relatable about the potato meme phenomenon. After all, who hasn't felt a little bit like a misshapen, lumpy potato at some point in their lives? We all have flaws and imperfections, but that doesn't mean we can't embrace them and find the beauty in our uniqueness. And let's not forget the power of community. When people come together over a shared interest or passion, it can create a sense of belonging and connection. In this case, people all over the world are bonding over their love of wacky potatoes. It's a reminder that even in a digital age where we often feel disconnected, we can still find ways to connect with one another. So the next time you see a photo of a potato with googly eyes or a mustache, don't just dismiss it as another silly meme. Take a moment to appreciate the joy and humor it brings to people's lives. And who knows? Maybe you'll find yourself inspired to share a photo of your own unique potato creation.